Grow cilantro indoors for fresh, vibrant herbs year-round. It's easy and rewarding, adding a burst of flavor to your dishes. Start your indoor cilantro garden today. Choosing the right seeds is crucial for a successful indoor garden. The type of seeds you select can make a significant difference in the growth and yield of your plants. For instance, if you're planning to grow cilantro, you want to choose a variety that grows slowly. This is because cilantro tends to bolt or flower quickly, which can affect the quality and quantity of the leaves you can harvest. Look for slow bolt or long-standing cilantro seeds. These varieties are specifically bred to delay the bolting process, giving you more time to enjoy fresh cilantro leaves. By choosing slow bolt seeds, you can extend the harvesting period. This means you can enjoy fresh cilantro for a longer time before the plant starts to flower. Harvesting regularly can also help in delaying the bolting process. Flowering is a natural part of the cilantro plant's life cycle. When the plant flowers, it is focusing its energy on producing seeds rather than leaves. Once a cilantro plant flowers, it stops growing new leaves. This process is known as bolting. Bolting is triggered by various factors, including temperature and light conditions. By selecting slow bolt seeds, you can manage the growth of your cilantro plants more effectively. This allows you to enjoy a continuous supply of fresh leaves for a longer period. So when planning your indoor garden, remember to choose the right seeds to ensure a bountiful and prolonged harvest. Let's plant your cilantro seeds. Growing cilantro at home can be a rewarding experience. Not only does it add a fresh, vibrant flavor to your dishes, but it also gives you the satisfaction of growing your own herbs. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to get started. First, choose a shallow pot with good drainage. Cilantro prefers a pot that is not too deep but wide enough to allow the roots to spread. This helps prevent water from pooling at the bottom, which can lead to root rot. Cilantro doesn't like soggy roots. It's crucial to ensure that the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can be detrimental to the plant's health, leading to yellowing leaves and stunted growth. Use a light potting mix. A well-draining mix is essential for cilantro. You can also add some sand or perlite to improve drainage. This type of soil will provide the right environment for your seeds to germinate and grow strong. This helps the seeds sprout easily. Mixing the soil thoroughly ensures that it's loose and airy, which is perfect for young seedlings. Make sure to break up any clumps to create a smooth surface for planting. Sprinkle a few seeds on the soil. It's best to sow the seeds thinly and evenly. This will give each seed enough space to grow without competing for nutrients and light. Don't plant them too deep. Cilantro seeds should be planted at a shallow depth, about 1/4 inch deep. Planting them too deep can hinder their ability to sprout. Just cover them lightly with soil. Now, water them gently. Use a fine mist or a gentle stream to avoid displacing the seeds. Keep the soil consistently moist, and in about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll see your cilantro seedlings emerging. Cilantro loves sunshine. Place your pot in a bright spot. A south-facing window is perfect. It provides plenty of indirect sunlight. If you don't have enough sunlight, don't worry. You can use LED grow lights. Keep the temperature around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. Cilantro thrives in warmth. Once your cilantro is about 6 inches tall, it's time to harvest. Use sharp scissors to cut the outer stems. Cut just above a leaf node. Harvesting regularly encourages bushier growth. This means more cilantro for you. Cilantro is a light feeder, but it benefits from some fertilizer. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer. Mix it at half strength. Feed your cilantro every 2 weeks. This will keep it healthy and productive. Growing cilantro indoors can sometimes attract pests. One common issue is aphids. These tiny insects can suck the sap from the leaves, causing them to wilt and yellow. If you notice aphids on your cilantro, try spraying the plant with a strong jet of water to dislodge them. For a more persistent problem, consider using insecticidal soap to keep your cilantro healthy and pest-free. Congratulations, you've grown your own cilantro. Now enjoy its fresh, zesty flavor. Add it to salsas, guacamole, curries, and more. Growing your own herbs is rewarding. It connects you to nature and elevates your cooking. Happy gardening!